Hey everyone, this is Doug Menhin, and welcoming you to another to Android Java Programming Fundamentals. This is a quick little review session. What I mean by that is, let's go here real fast. There's the quiz that's coming up, and that entails some of the things you need to review are syntax or class names. For example, one of the classes that will always be included by default is main activity. Another thing to remember are the imports, what you need to import in order to use said utilities. Don't forget about syntax for random numbers, how to actually initialize a variable, whether it like variable, variable type, etc., etc. Now, that being said, remember that you can have, for example, if I wanted to have an integer, yeah, I'll show that. You could just say var int number, and you can set that number equal to whatever you want. That said, I might just actually, I will take that out. I will take that question out. Anyway, so remember that this quiz will be 10 questions long. Originally, I wanted to put in a timer, but seeing as how this is an online-only class, I decided to remove the timer altogether. So you'll have as much time as you need to actually complete said quiz. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all there is to it. True false is like, I'll say one of the true false questions now. If you have your own Google device, technically speaking, that means you don't need to have a virtual machine. That's true. You can just plug it in. You can just plug in your Google device, whatever it might be, and just use that instead of actually having to download a virtual machine. Keep in mind that there will be certain syntax not just syntax questions. It'll ask for errors, like what error do you see in this code? What error is there in this code? How do you declare an ID? And remember, when declaring an ID, use this syntax. But keep in mind again with the spelling as well as the syntax. If it's not, for instance, if I have 2 semicolons here, it's not going to work. That's going to give me an error. So bear that in mind. That being said, review for the quiz. Just take your time. You'll do fine. And yeah, like I said, 10 questions long. You have I removed the timer, so you have all the time that you need to take this quiz. Thank you for watching, and I will see. The next video will be in 2 weeks, which will deal with us finishing our app and publishing it to Google Play Store, etc. That being said, you take care and study up for the quiz.